It's a 6200 BTU, this particular model. And these are the ones that look real funky on the outside. It's real quiet. At least the compressor is. The fan's a little bit noisy, but this is a pretty good runner. And it does real well where it's installed, despite being behind the sink here. But without further ado, I'm not going to take the front off at the moment, but it was just cleaned out and serviced. I'll include some pictures. And yeah, let's start it. Local. That's a Matsushita compressor. This unit is in fantastic condition. And I did have the original box to it. I'm not sure where it ended up, but if I can find it, I'll include some pictures of that as well. So here we are outside. Original brackets are installed. There is the Matsushita, which is on a little bit of a slant. I have to fix that. It's actually due to the bottom bracket being bent, and that's a long story. But it's got the condensate hose there that goes into the compartment where the condenser is. It has its own pan, sort of like a Whirlpool style, but no plastic underlay. So that we have a drain hole mod right there, and it drips right onto the ground. It's a smooth running machine. Metal fans in this one. And I believe that's an Emerson.